Regeneron is a global biotechnology company with 15,000 employees in 12 countries that invents, develops, and commercializes life-transforming medicines to people with serious diseases.
I support manufacturing. I get to learn something new every single day. And I get to work with people that are super smart, really different from one another, and support our bigger mission.
What's cool about manufacturing, especially at Regeneron, is they do give us this opportunity to test a lot of these new technologies. The more efficient we are, the better we are at our job, the more drug product we can make, which means the more lives we can save.
It is a way to help people and use my science and engineering brain in partnership. You use a lot of creativity with problem solving, and it's meaningful work that makes a difference to families like mine.
I look for a lot of skills, but I think what's unique about myself is I didn't really have a really good science background. You have a great attitude, very willing to learn and willing to get out of your comfort zone.
So we're manufacturing our products to be better and improve the lives of our patients. We're manufacturing the process to have better equipment to make sure that there's less delays and that they're more reliable. We're also manufacturing each other to make sure that we're the best employees that we can be.
I graduated from Hoosick a long time ago, and then I went to Smith College and got a degree in biology. Coming from a small town where there's lots of farming, there's lots of fixing equipment. So what I think is really cool about manufacturing is you get to combine science, which is very invigorating, but you get to use your hands too.
My wife actually takes one of the drug products that we make here to Pixin. So I would say that the coolest thing is the impact. I think just being able to be part of manufacturing, being a part of the process that can really genuinely improve and change the lives of the people who take our product, I think is really, really cool.
Regeneron is full of people that are smart, hardworking, determined, and ultimately want to do the right thing. Everything we do here at Regeneron is very patient-focused. If we have something that we know can help even 100 people, we want to do the right thing and make that in order to improve their lives.
You like having to figure stuff out, problem solving, working with your hands? This is an awesome job to have.
Tomorrow is always going to be better than today. In the sense that we're always trying to make the lives of each other, our coworkers, and the patients better.